Morning, guys. I am back out and about, mixing it up. I got convinced, or should I say, I got vinced to come in out to Lee's. There he is. He's come here for some big fish, and I want a big fish too. I'm not going to say that I'm going after the taupe. I am going after the taupe. I want a taupe, but I just, more than anything, I actually just want to fish. I'm keeping it simple. I just want to fish. Yeah, so I am putting a taupe bait out today. Taupe bait or 3 or 4 or 5. But I've also got 2 hook flappers, and I've got some dongle rigs for just general fishing. A nice bull hearse, or I don't know. Got a bit of mackerel to put a bit of pollock on a bit, to get a bit of pollock. I don't know. Is the truth. I don't know. I just want to fish. And more than fishing, I just want to catch a fish. I've had 5 sessions lately, and I have caught 1 fish. It's pretty pitiful. I'm going to put a shock leader on that in a minute. So yeah, going for a bit of a mixed bag of stuff. Squid and sand eel bait. I have squid and bluey. Again, good for the huss. This is what I'm aiming for. Calamari, your standard utility bait, and then sardines, which is going to be my first taupe bait out there, just frozen sardines. I've got some feathers, so hopefully get some fresh bait. That's everything. That's everything you need to know. First call is just stick a huss bait out. That's all I want to do. Gonna have a couple of practice casts. I'm learning. I never do practice casts. Every day's a school day. Normally I don't do practice casts or anything like that. I just fucking hoof it out there. Vince is saying, "What the fuck are you doing?" And yeah. I'm ready. I'm ready for this. I'm ready for any kind of fish, anywhere. I just want a fish, and I'm going to get one today. Today. It's happening, whether I like it or not. Spare multiplier, spare fixed bulls, although one of them will be going on a new rod that I bought. I'll show you that after. It is a very lovely rod. It's a hint as to what rod I brought. Bait scissors. Bait elastic. Have I been clever and brought bait elastic? Headband. Have I been clever? Yes! Couple of test casts, and I'm away. If you ever come here, the rocks are quite slippy. It's going downside now. So we are, yeah, hold on, put you onto this. Vince is ready to go out. Feels a bit alarming being underneath that huge lob of bait. Beautiful.
9 ounce of bait.
Fair play, you didn't snap off for a change. He never snaps off. I don't think I've seen that anyway. I don't think I've seen him snap off at all. Don't think I've seen him do a foot wrong, to be fair. Just in general. Just, he obviously knows what he's doing. Okay, so, first taupe trace, going out.
And yeah, plenty of fish.
You know what I've only got it done?
What have you got it done?
I've baited that up as if it's a dongle, but I haven't got a dongle on it.
Have you got anything to make a dongle with?
Well, no, but I elasticated it. Should be alright, right?
Yeah.
That was not a convincing guess. That was very unconvincing from Mr. Miyagi right there. It's I'll just see what happens. YOLO. YOLO. See what happens. First bait, going out there. Tide tamer's on. I want a fair bit of grip here. Get a bit of a bend in the rod there straight away. Sardines from Ammo Baits. I'm just going to use them for now. And then I've got the second rod to cast out to hopefully get some very, very fresh bait. But if you want some frozen bait, you don't get much better than Ammo. Oh no! Take two. Everything seems to be ready. That goes there. I go here. Great success. Oh, that's quite tasty, that wind. My lead, right, I cast there.
Yeah.
My lead is like there somewhere.
Yeah, that's why you need the big legs, mate.
There you go. First cast, first bait out. The drag is set, so if something does munch on it, I'm going to be okay. And yeah, I think I'm about there. Oh. The new varsity style Blufin hoodies with sapphire blue. The varsity style being the inside of the hood. They only go up to 2XL, but they are actually available on the Blufin online now. So get yourself over there. This is the style of hoodie I wanted from the word go. And we finally got them in, so made up. A lot of room for your head torches, which is something that matters with fishing. Oh yeah, so, forgot about that. I have I snapped my beloved Continental, the Yuki A7 DSC, absolutely gorgeous rod. I adored it. And I snapped it because I'm a tip. So I've got a cheaper alternative. But since these came into the shop, I've wanted one. Vicelli. We've got a huge range in the shop at the moment. This is the Vicelli Apprendista. Vicelli Apprendista. Lovely name. Let's hope it's a lovely rod. But yeah, bit of a lighter rod for the general fishing, bit of mackie bashing, things like that. And then I've got my Yuki reel. It's a reel. Now my target for today, fish. Just fish. Not complicated it. Not giving myself a target. Well, I'm fish. Just a fish. Think I can manage that, don't you? Three-o. It's actually quite a nice rig, this one. It has the Trident gear on it, so that's the Trident pulley. The Trident, what's it called? The Trident something mabob. And the other Trident something mabob there. Lovely. Bowser Huss. You knows it. That'll do. That will do. Get at. May actually be getting a hang of this fishing malarkey. Don't want to speak too soon, like, but I'll make a nice butt rest that actually. Oh. Come on, fishies. Getting a little tug on this one. Two of my rods are getting a good tug in.
Yeah, you've got a tiny bit of bait left on there, it's bitten the bottom bit off.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, don't touch that.
Come here, you.
Down there and pull the rod out. Just get that.
Come here, you bugger.
That quite a few times.
Someone's bitten that though.
Yeah. Eating, mate. That's what that rattle was.
That's positive.
Yeah.
It means there's fish in that sea. Because sometimes I'm not sure if there's fish in the sea at times. Pay a bit more attention to the hook eye. And we're golden. Big ass bait. Big ass weight. Is that like a reef up there? It's just that, yeah?
Yeah, that's down back to the south. Down over the water.
Clouds are in the sky, silly. That's in the water. Ah, silly Billy.
That bigger lead staying put, is it? Got a rattle?
No, birds there just went into the water.
A bird?
Yeah,
Yeah.
a couple of times.
That big shoulder mackerel there then. It hasn't moved, is it? Going at home from Shorecast, they're lovely leads, mate. I really do like them.
Yeah. Yeah, shout out to Graham of Shorecast. Beautiful weights as always. Though this one's been a bit battered. Looks like Vince has consumed it and shut it out. What's that? Oh, they're right there. They're right there. Right in front of us. Got to be something there. right on his head. There we go. More baits out. According to Vince, this is prime time. So, and whatever Vince says, I'm going to just stick by. He is fishing Gandalf. Whoop. There you go. Well, we didn't catch him retrieving it because the camera died. Oh, there you go. It's rather a lovely pollock. Lovely.
Tiny little rig, tiny little hooks. Yeah, nice little pollock.
Beauty.
Probably about sizable and eatable as well.
Yeah. I'd make a goujon out of that.
Yeah.
Well, then, mate.
Lovely job.
Lovely stuff.
Saves a blank.
Saves blank.
Both hooks in its mouth as well.
It's just knocking loads now. Shall I bring it in case there's a dog on it? Because it could just be stuck on it, couldn't it?
Yeah. Is that the one that's been rattling away?
On the right.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely change bait, mate.
I've just put a new bait out now.
What's it?
Literally just put it out now.
Is it rattling?
And that is what you call a blank saver. It's a dirty dogfish, I don't care. It's a fish. That is not a particularly big dogfish, that. Yeah, always pretty though. I always like the look of these guys. Very pretty fish, lovely eyes on them. Blank saver, lovely. Get another bait out now. Whee! Oh, there we go, yeah. Oh, yes. There you go. That's a male cuckoo. I've got the colours on it. Absolutely. Is it a transitioning one?
No, that's how they stay. That's how they stay. That is what they look like. They get way more vivid colours.
Yeah. I was about to say.
It might be because he's young. But yeah. That's my first male one from him. I've had loads of females.
Fair play.
So yeah, well happy with that.
That's a lovely fish, that.
Yeah.
And away we go. Hold on.
Double shot of 4 cod.
Vince is flexing his fishy muscles right now. There you go, come with me. Come with me. You're going to see Fish Wizard here. Fish Gandalf.
Half tempted to chuck one of these out of bait, you know.
Yes, mate.
Don't know if there's even a size limit on 4 cods. I should probably check that first, but yeah.
Go on, so what makes a poor cod?
They almost look identical to a pout. They're just, the fins are a slightly different shape.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're slightly longer. That fin is different to a pout in the actual dorsal. Yeah, they're much of a muchness, to be honest, as far as fish go. But yeah, I think I'd feel bad putting out with bait, but they're killer bait for like huss and
You should do it, definitely.
Yeah, I don't know what the size limit is on them, so I don't want to.
Yeah, best putting it back.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not risking it really. We'll have a look on the
Yeah,
old
I'll check.
Google after.
Yeah, I'll check first before I go put the knife through his up, poor little buggers. I love
Yeah.
the colour ones, like nice and kelpy coloured, like red. Like absolutely beautiful.
That's a
Really,
beautiful
really
fish.
pretty colours.
It's a really nice fish, that. You've seen some nice fish today. Not for me, like. You know, you've seen a dog. Well, dogfish are nice, I suppose. Little strips of mackerel on the left-hand rod. Big bait out on the right still. So, get this geezer in. Oh, yes. There you go. That's a male cuckoo. I've got the colours on it. Absolutely. Is it a transitioning one?
No.
'Cause
That's how they stay. That's how they stay. That is what they look like. They get way more vivid colours.
Yeah,
than that
yeah.
as
I was about to say.
well. It might be because he's young, but yeah. That's my first male one from her. I've had loads of females.
Fair play.
So yeah, well happy with that.
That's a lovely fish, that.
Yeah, they
Yes.
get super vivid colours. You can see it's like it's getting that way.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Then just lightly lip it, so they'll go back. No problems at all. Not a
Beautiful.
problem.
Well in. Bloody well in, Vince. That's a cracker, that. Gotta love a cuckoo. I think this could actually be part of the channel. I go fishing. I bring someone with me to catch the fish. Bring an experienced fisherman, like the wizard here. He could catch all the fish for me. Fat Gandalf. Fat Gandalf. And I could just sit here, like, clapping when he catches one, like, well then. Have you seen the weather behind us? It's pretty nice that way, to be fair, but
10 miles towards like Bangor and it'll be blistering
yeah,
sunshine, beautiful. You
it's,
come on the islands,
yeah,
it's like
that's what we got.
a little microclimate.
It's got like Mordor over there. Grey. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Yeah, literally walk 10 feet that way, you'd probably be sunbathing. I think it is actually coming this way though. Yeah, I think it is actually. Give it half an hour. And it's going to be beautiful here. Something to look forward to. Right, I've got about half an hour pick up till I have to pick up my little babby Riley. I have a bit of daddy-daughter time. Looking forward to that. Fishies go through a tough time with us trying to catch them all the time, so give them a bit of free food. Squid? Unopened.
I've only got half mackerel.
Ah, milk was a bad choice. Accrington Stanley, who are they? If you were born in the 2000s, you probably won't get that reference. Shout out to the old boys. Yeah, it's been chewed on. Someone's been chewing on it. And it wasn't me. Big old piece of mackerel. That's a big, smelly ass bait. Guts everywhere. Just what the fishies like, apparently. stuff everywhere. Blah. Good stuff. Good, good, good. There you go. There you go. Another one by Vince. Another male. And again, look at the colours on that though. It's even, to be fair, it's even prettier. Absolutely lovely, vivid colours on it. Another male cuckoo. Beautiful. Gorgeous fish. Whoop, you bugger. Yeah. You want to kiss him?
No, no,
No?
thank you.
I'll kiss him. There we go. Time to leave now. Got a fish. Only a dogfish, but who cares? Fish is a fish.